There's no better way to showcase desserts, sweet treats, and grab-and-go items than with a gorgeous cake display fridge, perfect for bakeries, cafes, and all kinds of shops. Cake display fridges don't just show off your baked goods, they actually encourage additional purchases. Our list of the best cake display fridges features a cake chiller for every shop setup, from large freestanding models perfect for whole cakes and pies, to smaller countertop options suitable for individual slices and cupcakes. There's a variety of quality display fridges to choose from. Our list features the best 7 models available today. So for all the
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, KoolMore 483 Refrigerated Bakery Display Case. Designed as a freestanding appliance, this cake display fridge from KoolMore is definitely made for bakeries and sweet shops, maintaining the optimal temperature range of 36 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Fahrenheit. This refrigeration system makes sure your cakes, pies, baked goods, and other fresh pastries stay fresh and delicious throughout the day. Featuring a gorgeous curved glass front, this case features a large 48-inch display that's brightly lit with a built-in LED lighting system that helps highlight food colors, flakiness, and freshness. Some other design features worth noting include rear sliding glass doors for easy access, adjustable shelves, and lockable and rollable caster wheels, so that you can easily install and relocate throughout the shop. The utilized refrigeration system is also naturally eco and environmental. Number 2. KoolMore Commercial Countertop Refrigerator Display Case. Available in 3 different sizes, this line of countertop cake display fridges from KoolMore might be smaller and more compact than some other models on our list, but they are excellent options for smaller shops, individual slices, and grab-and-go items. Featuring bright LED lighting, adjustable shelves, digital temperature controls, a temperature range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit 53 degrees Fahrenheit, an automatic defrost function, and sleek and durable designs, these cake chillers are great space-saving solutions for bakeries, cafes, coffee shops, and convenience stores. Rear-facing sliding doors also make it easy and convenient for staff to load the cake chillers quickly. As mentioned above, this option from KoolMore is available in 3 different sizes. A breakdown of dimensions and specs for each are below. Number 3. KoolMore 713 Refrigerated Bakery Display Case. If you're looking for a show-stopping cake display fridge for your bakery and shop, this 713 model from KoolMore is one to consider. Designed as a beautiful showcase for your cakes, pastries, pies, and more, this refrigeration system has a spacious interior, LED lighting system, and adjustable shelves, so you can customize the display, maintaining an optimal temperature of 36 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Your baked goods will stay fresh throughout the day. The case also features rear sliding doors for easy access, glass on all sides for optimal viewing, and rolling and lockable caster wheels, so you. Number 4. KoolMore Countertop Display Refrigerator. This countertop cake display fridge from KoolMore is a great option for smaller bakeries and shops, offering 3 cubic feet of storage space and 3 adjustable wire shelves. This model is perfect for smaller displays, cupcakes, individual slices, as well as grab-and-go items like bottled water and sodas. Available in 3 different colors, including white, pictured, stainless steel, and black, this option features an LED lighting system for a bright display, glass on all sides for easy viewing, and a digital control panel that keeps food within the optimal temperature range. Number 5. TECHTONGDA 363 Display Refrigerators Cake Showcase. Looking for a more compact option? Take a look at this cake display fridge from TECHTONGDA. Measuring 363 long, this gorgeous curved refrigeration system is the perfect size for smaller shops and displays. Featuring 2 shelves for a 3-tier showcase, you're sure to impress your customers with an assortment of desserts and sweet treats. Designed to sit directly on the floor, this model comes with an eye-catching white LED lighting system, a digital temperature control system with automatic defrost, and maintains a consistent temperature range of 39.2 degrees Fahrenheit 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass is durable, The rear-facing sliding glass doors provide easy access for shop owners and managers, and the sleek design is aesthetically pleasing. The model also sits on top of wheels for easy installation,